Today we will learn about the chapter quadrilaterals. In this content we will learn introduction, angle sum property of a quadrilateral, types of quadrilateral, properties of a parallelogram, the midpoint theorem and summary. What is quadrilateral? A figure formed by joining 4 points in an order is called a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a polygon with exactly 4 sides. A quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 angles and 4 vertices. Sum of their 4 interior angle equals to 360 degrees. As we can see in figure, AB, BC, CD and DA are side of quadrilateral and the sum of angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D are 360 degree. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. As we know, the sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. It can be proved as in quadrilateral ABCD, AB, BC, CD and DA are the 4 sides. A, B, C and D are the 4 vertices and angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D are the 4 angles formed at the vertices. Where AC is diagonal which divides quadrilateral into 2 triangles. So in triangle 1 the angle are angle ABC plus angle BCA plus angle CAB is equal to 180 degrees. And in triangle 2 angle ADC plus angle DCA plus angle CAD is equal to 180 degrees. Adding sum of the angles of the triangle 180 degrees plus 180 degrees is equal to 360 degrees, which is equal to the quadrilateral, that is 360 degrees. Types of quadrilaterals. Trapezium. One pair of opposite sides of quadrilateral PQRS in figure, namely PQ and RS are parallel, that is called a trapezium. So parallel line never meet, as shown in figure. Parallelogram. Both pair of opposite sides of quadrilateral are parallel. So quadrilaterals A, B, C, D are parallelogram. So AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to CD. Types of quadrilaterals. Rectangle. In parallelogram ABCD of figure, one of its angle, namely angle M, is right angle. So it is called a rectangle. Rhombus. The parallelogram PQRS has all sides equal. It is called a rhombus, as shown in figure. Square. Here we can see in figure the parallelogram PQRS has all the 4 angles 90 degree and all sides are equal. It is called a square. Kite. In quadrilateral ABCD, AD is equal to CD and AB is equal to CB. As shown in figure, so 2 of adjacent sides are equal. So it is called a kite. Types of quadrilateral. A square, rectangle and rhombus are parallelograms. A square is a rectangle and also a rhombus. A parallelogram is a trapezium. A kite is not a parallelogram. A rectangle or a rhombus is not a square. Properties of a parallelogram. A diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into 2 congruent triangles. In figure ABCD be a parallelogram and AC be a diagonal. In triangle ABC and triangle CDA, note that BC is parallel to AD and AC is a transversal. So angle BCA is equal to angle DAC. So angle BAC is equal to angle DCA and AC is equal to CA. So triangle ABC is equal to triangle ADC. So it is ASA rule. Properties of a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. If each pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal, then it is a parallelogram. We can see in figure, triangle ABC is equal to triangle CDA, angle BAC is equal to angle DCA, angle BCA is equal to angle DAC. In a parallelogram, each pair of opposite sides is equal when pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal, called parallelogram. Diagonal of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. We know AB is equal to BC is equal to DC is equal to DA. Now in triangle AOD and triangle COD, OA is equal to OC, that is diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. OD is equal to OD, AD is equal to CD. Therefore, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD. That is SSS congruence rule. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. If in a quadrilateral each pair of opposite angle is equal, then it is a parallelogram. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. If the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. The midpoint theorem. We have drawn a triangle and marked the midpoints S and T of two sides of a triangle. Join the points S and T. Measure ST and QR. Measure angle PST and angle PQR. ST is equal to 1 by 2 QR and angle PST is equal to angle PQR. So, ST is parallel to QR. Example. ABCD is a parallelogram in which P and Q are midpoints of opposite sides AB and CD. If AQ intersects DP at S and BQ intersects CP at R, show that APCQ is a parallelogram. In quadrilateral, AP is parallel to QC. AP is equal to half AB and CQ is equal to half CQ. AB is equal to CD, so AP is equal to QC. Therefore, APCQ is a parallelogram. Properties. The line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. The line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. Test yourself. These are a few questions for you. Please revise the concept by solving them on your own. Thank you. This content was developed under Akash School project. This project is funded by NMEICT and MHRD Government of India. If you wish to contact us, please mail us at the given email ID. Thank you for watching this content.